We have a question, divide 4x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 7 by x minus 2. I'm going to solve by long division method. Let's take a start here. We have to divide this means dividend, and this one is divisor, x minus 2. From where we have to divide dividend. X minus 2 we have to write here, 4x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 7. Now we have to find out quotient and remainder. X into which number and variable it become 4x cube. Our first aim is to remove first term. Here is 4, so we have to write on 4. X is here is x cube. How to bring x cube? What we have to multiply with x, which variable we have to multiply by x, it become x cube. Here is cube, here is nothing than 1, so 3 minus 1 2, so we can write here x power 2. 2 into x base same, and in multiply we have to add the power 2 and 1, it will be 3, so we can write here x power 3. After that minus plus minus, 2 into 4 8x square. Okay, now we have to change the sign. If positive we have to write negative, if negative we have to write on positive, so this two cancelled. Now we have to solve this to a like term, so we have to solve minus 3 plus 8, it will be 5x square. 8 is greater in front of 8 plus, not minus, we change the sign, 5x square. This two we have to copy the same, x plus 7. Okay, now our first aim is to remove first term. Always we have to remove first term, not second and third, always first term. Now here is positive, so write down positive. X into which number and variable it become 5x square. Here is 5, so we have to write down 5. Here is x square and here is x, so we have to need one x. X into x, it will be x square. Now multiply x into 5x, it will be 5x square, minus 2 into 5x, we get minus 10x. Now we have to change the sign. If positive we have to write negative, if negative we have to write on positive. So we can see there this to cancel. Now plus x plus 10x, we get here 11x plus 7 is remaining, so we have to write here plus 7. Again you can see here is positive, so what we have to write here we have to write down plus. Okay, now x into which number, it will be 11x. X already here, 11 is here, so we have to write here 11. X into 11, it will be 11x. Okay, minus 2 into 11, we get here minus 22. Now we have to change the sign. If positive we have to write negative, if negative we have to write on positive. Now you can see here 11x minus 11x, one positive another negative, so we can reduce this. Now this to plus 7, and sign of this 22 is not negative, we change the sign, so sign of 22 is positive. Plus 7 plus 22, it will be 29. So here qx quotient is equal to how much we get here, 4x square plus 5x plus 11, and rx remainder is equal to 29.